Hello everyone, this is Alissa from Photobox Designs. I'm here to show you our cute new Santa holiday card template. You'll see when you open up the template that there is a little bit of some instructions. You just want to turn that layer off by clicking over here. And you'll see that actually you will not see this Love the Happy Family. That was just some text I put in there to demonstrate that you can type in your own text. But what you will see is Merry Christmas. This Merry Christmas text layer comes with your template, and although you cannot change the font on it, you can change the size and the placement of it, or you can turn it off entirely. So you can just grab it, you can make it smaller or larger, or you can just take the layer and click it off and type in your own. However, you do have the option, if you want to keep the text the way I have provided it for you, you do have the option to then go into a text layer and create your own text layer. You can write a salutation such as love. Finally, and you take your text layer and you move it to where you need it. And you can turn it, or you could put it anywhere. You can make it larger or smaller, and pretty much put it anywhere you like. And the other thing that you'll see here is that there's a clipping mask. That's basically it. Just clipping mask, and you have a background. Santa on the background and all these other cute little, the borders. This is not editable. You can click it on and click it off. You'll see that I have some guides here for printing. You don't want to put anything beyond these guides that I left here, because print houses usually give about a quarter of an inch in a leeway for printing, and if you put anything beyond that, you have the chance, you run the risk of having it cropped off. So I also highly recommend that you contact your print house and you make a test sample before you send these out for full-fledged print, to make sure that everything is within the cropping areas for your specific print house. So here's how you would use the clipping mask. You make sure that you are on the clipping mask layer, go to File, Place Embedded, and you find a nice image. And what's great about this is that you can have a Santa holiday card without actually having Santa in, having taken any pictures of families with Santa. So, and then you just press place. You can just bring your family down, maybe make it a little bit smaller, just fit it in. Then you want to right click on it and create clipping mask, and voila. And now you can grab it and move it around and resize it to your liking. And you have really what I would consider to be about a less than 5-minute template and a fabulous upsell for your clients, or maybe a beautiful template for your own family. If you have any questions, please contact us at Photobox Designs, and have a wonderful day.